Hello guys, are you also like this? Hard shake effect. Want to make? Let me tell you how to make this in Capcut. First, go to Effects. Tap to Video Effects. Go to Search Bar and search Bad TV. Select Bad TV. Crop it. Duplicate 3 times. Go to Video Effects and add Shake Effect. Crop it. Go to Adjust. Adjust Speed 15, Intensity 20. Duplicate 1 times. Done. Select Clip. Go to Animation. Select Horizontal Blur. Done. Do the same on all the clips. Done. Export your video.
Não sabia, nasci.